Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link your phone number onto your EHA Markets Trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the EHA Markets Trading app on your device, and after logging in, you will end up within the home page. Now, if you haven't already added a phone number to your account, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner, then tap on Basic Information, and now you will see your mobile number section. Go ahead and tap on it. And now you can choose your country code and enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, you will need to solve a small CAPTCHA, and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to you via SMS. Tap on the confirm button after entering the code, and now your phone number has successfully been added to your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your phone number onto your account within the EHA Markets application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.